In this video, I'm going to show you some new things that you might not have seen in the Scan Barcodes page. Of course, you can scan barcodes and RFIDs, usernames, jobs, tasks, inventory, and so on. You can also tap to start those, but there are some other things you can do. So let's go ahead and click on this icon, and the Scan Barcodes page opens, and this is where you would scan barcodes, RFIDs, so on and so forth. Now, there's a little menu up here that allows you to do some other things. One thing is to make the text larger or smaller, but I wanted to focus on the ones that are below this. And the first one is barcode required scans. I'm going to click on that. That opens a new page that allows me to create a completely new scan to collect additional information on the shop floor. Let's go back here to Scan Barcodes and back to this menu, and I'm then going to choose Barcode Defaults. Barcode defaults allow you to set up a workstation to always choose a certain user or project or job, add some text values, or put in some additional information like location or device, so recording machines and so on. So every time they scan on the shop floor, these defaults will be automatically supplied. That means you scan fewer times or get additional default information. Again, let's click on this icon and then choose Barcode Macros. Barcode Macros allow you to scan a certain thing. Often this is an RFID with a unique ID, and get a whole bunch of other things scanned immediately after that. So a very simple way to scan additional things on the shop floor. Again, back to this menu, and we'll go to Barcode Rules. Barcode Rules are a way to look for special scans that you have never seen before. Things like RFIDs or tags or things that you would like to do special things. There are some rules to look for and then actions to perform, so that you could run a script or create time logs, toggle a timer, start-stop timer, things like that can be performed when this special barcode comes along that you may never have seen, but you know the rules associated with that barcode, like what it starts with or contains or ends, if a value is greater than or less than, and then you can perform the action. So that's a very nice way of setting up special rules for barcodes you've never seen before. Again, back to the menu, and we can choose Tap to Start. You may have seen this before in other videos. This basically lets you tap instead of scan, tap, tap, tap on your phone instead of scanning. You can close this little block by clicking the X button, and then you're just back to this. Back to the menu, you have things to scan on the shop floor. I'll go ahead and click that, and that's basically going to open up a new page. You can look through this list of things that you can scan: scripts, inventory, tools, quantity, lots of different things there. And then finally, look at the Barcode Basics video, sort of a simple walkthrough as to how to do barcoding on the shop floor. So that little menu opens up a whole bunch of things you can do on the shop floor with barcode scanning. Hope it helps.